So here we are, friends. I just want to show you something super neat. What we have here is a scraper set. The scraper set comes with these uber sharp razor blades. Obviously you want to be careful on that edge. Comes with a whole bunch of extras for you because you never really know how many of them you're going to need. It also comes with non-marring blades, which are these little plastic blades. They still have a fairly sharp edge on them, but it's not something that's actually going to cut your finger, okay? And that's great for something like if you're going along paint, you need to just take off some kind of pine pitch or sap or something like that. You could use a nice metal blade like this. If you're going on your glass, you got a sticker that you want to take off of there. All right, that's a really nice blade right there. Both these blades come with a whole bunch of extras, which is really great. You've got this nice long scraper right here with a super strong handle. Like, this thing is heavy duty. This is the real deal right here. If you wanted to change out your blades, you would just turn this little screw right here. This little thing right here is going to come up, and then you can swap out your blades. Super easy peasy. Like I said, this is heavy duty. It comes with everything you need. This is a really great tool right here. As always, if you need this or any other tool, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.